In a bustling town square, the feline candidate Sir Whiskers stands atop a small podium, his fur gleaming in the sunlight as he passionately rallies his fellow cats for the upcoming election. With an enthusiastic meow, Sir Whiskers promises a brighter future filled with endless catnip and sunny lounging spots for every feline in the community. As the crowd erupts in cheers, Sir Whiskers outlines his plans for better food services and more play areas in every neighbourhood. With a flick of his tail, Sir Whiskers emphasises the importance of unity among all cats, urging them to come together to support one another in their quest for a better life.